YouTube, today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make how to copy a line segment. So basically you could take your compass and put one end, put your your little stopper thing right there, and then just kind of do like that. Okay, then what you gotta do is you gotta go like that, and then gotta put, yep, just like that, and you see hasn't really changed very much. Okay, now I'm just gonna take my straight edge here and I'm gonna connect them, see, and then that there is how you you duplicate a line using a compass and a straight edge. Hey y'all, I just finished watching my old instructional video on how to make, on how to copy angles. So now I think I'm ready to know how to copy angles. This isn't actually going to be the final volume unless I really feel like it's good enough, which it probably will be. So yeah, I don't think I'm actually going to do this. Originally, my plan was to try and get some better volume. So what you gotta do is you gotta put your thing on the vertex. You gotta make some arc marks. Okay. And so then you just gotta, yeah, I don't even think you gotta duplicate the line. I think you could just literally do whatever you want. Sorry if you hear that barking in the background. It's my dog. So yeah, then what you gotta do is you gotta say, you know what, I don't like you anymore, and I think I know what my vertex is gonna be, and then you decide what your vertex is gonna be. And where your vertex is actually very important. Not really, it doesn't matter at all. So you could put it there. Well, actually, yeah, it kind of does matter. You gotta put it on your line. So you can't make your vertex not on your line. Oh boy, that's just one big mess. That's not fun. Okay, so that's probably gonna be good enough, right? So now what we gotta do is we gotta put our compass right there. And then, oh man, I wish I had some better lighting. Like this lighting plan worked perfect for the last clip, but not for this one. Okay, there. So that's just about it. So after you've gotten so you gotta put your point there, and you gotta go like that. So now what you can do is you can go like that. Right, and now, where was our vertex? It was right there. Yeah. Okay. Let's just make a little marking spot for the vertex. Oh, please don't bark right now. Please, no. Oh boy. Okay, sorry. Please leave. I don't need this. That's my dog. Okay, I'm just gonna draw between those two lines. Okay. So yeah, there's this duplicate angle. Woo! What a crazy deal. Get out of here. Okay, anyway, that's the end of the video. Bye. Hi y'all, today I'm going to show you how to find the perpendicular bisector of a line. So what I like to do is I like to make 2 points on the line, and then I like to take my compass and I like to make sure that it's the compass length that it stretches out is more than halfway of what the line segment that I made is. And I like to go, and then you go, not I like to, this is how you're supposed to do it at this point. And so then you go like that, right, and then you come over here to your other point, and then you go like that. And now what you do is you grab a straight edge. I finally got a ruler. Might have used this last time as well. But yeah, I'm going to use this now. And bam, now you got a nice perpendicular bisector. It's very good. Time to do the next one. Hey y'all, today I'm going to be showing you how to find the perpendicular bisector. How to create a line from a point that is perpendicular to a second line. Ignore these points, I just drew them earlier. I forgot how to do it. So what you gotta do first is you gotta go like this. Gotta make sure that your line that you're making from here to over here touches this line right here, like that one. You gotta make sure it does it twice, 2 times, okay? Otherwise it's not gonna be very good. So now what you gotta do is you gotta find these points, right? Like the exact points in which these lines intersect. The arc mark intersects with the other ones. And what you gotta do is you gotta go like that. And you gotta go like that. And then what you gotta do next is you've gotta go like this. And see, after you've done that, all you need now is a straight edge. And you'll be able to draw the line. Okay. See, now I've drawn a line perpendicular, like I've drawn a perpendicular bisector to this line. I don't know, okay? I just did it. Okay, good job. So, yep, see you next clip. Hey y'all, today I'm going to show y'all how to make a angle bisector. Yeah, so let's just get started on this. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make this little line. You're going to want to put your main compass focus thing right there, okay? You're going to want to make 2 arc marks on each of the lines. Oh, yeah, right on the vertex. And then you want to keep it at the same length. And you want to move it up here. And you want to go like that on that one. And then you got to move it over to the other one, the other intersection. And then you do that. And now you just got to draw a line between this one and this one. So let me do that. Okay, as you can see, I just finished drawing that angle bisector. And yeah, I'm pretty sure that that's about it. Now I just got to do my reflections. Hi, geometry class and YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing y'all my slideshow because I wanted to make sure that that YouTube wasn't missing out on any of these quality content that clearly hasn't been made in better quality before. Definitely no sarcasm there. So, sorry, I'm just trying to get my mouse wire away from my microphone. There, now it'll work better. Okay. So, now, yeah, this is a cute little red panda that I had. This is part 2 of geometry product and its vocabulary words. Now, the first one is median, and a median in geometry is a line segment connecting the midpoint of one side of a triangle to the opposite vertex. kind of like the example that you see there. Next is altitude. And an altitude of a triangle in geometry is a line segment that is perpendicular to a side of a triangle and also gets to the vertex of an angle that is opposite of the line. Basically what you see in the thing, but like, so it's perpendicular to that line and it's also getting to that vertex. And now next is bisector. Bisector is a line that divides something into two equal parts. I know about angle bisectors and line bisectors so far. They're fun to construct, in my opinion, because I like to construct them. And that's an example of an angle bisector. Yeah, I just made it using PowerPoint, so it might not be completely accurate, but it's basically what it is. The little markings say that both of those inside angles are equal, so you just pretend that they are, because I don't think there's like any compass tool, and if there is, it's probably really obscure. This one is perpendicular, and it's a line that intersects with something else to make a 90-degree angle. And as you can see on the example, it's a little bit difficult to see at first, but if you look closely enough under the example, there's a little deal, and it's perpendicular because there's a line and then there's another line that's intersecting that line, and it makes a 90-degree angle, so it's perpendicular. Next up is midpoint. A midpoint is a point in the middle of a line. It is the same distance away from either endpoints of the line that it is on. And the example is that because it's the midpoint of that line segment, because it's a point in the middle of that line segment. It's equidistant between both of the things. It's the same distance. Next is circumcenter. Oh wow, I didn't think it would go that far. Okay, it's fine. Circumcenter, the spot on a triangle where you can put the sharp part of your compass on, adjust your compass, and draw a circle around in order to get that triangle's circumcircle. That's good. It's an example again. I just wrote down example again because I was doing a lot of examples and I was kind of getting tired of it, but this doesn't happen again, don't worry. Oh gee, that's more difficult to see than I thought. But if you look closely enough, you'll be able to see all those different like lines and such inside of the triangle and the incenter. The incenter is a point in a triangle where three different angle bisectors intersect. Wait, did I do the last one? Yeah. So there's the example. Now on to Orthocenter. No, it's not a dentist office, because I thought that too. Like ortho. Yeah. Think about mouth. A point marking the intersection of three altitudes on a triangle. And that's an example right there, and that's the orthocenter. Marks the intersection of three altitudes on a triangle. Next is centroid, a point marking the intersection of three medians in a triangle. And that's the centroid right there. Fun fact about the centroid, if you find the centroid in a triangle, and then you cut out that triangle, assuming that it's like some weird steel triangle that's meant to be really unbalanced in some places, assuming like it's just like a flat piece of paper that's probably going to be even on all its sides, you could balance this. If this was a piece of paper, you could put your finger right there and it would balance right on it, because that's the center of its mass, I think. I'm pretty sure. Sorry, I often sound very unprofessional and sound like I don't know what I'm talking about. And that's the end of the slideshow. Thank you for watching. Yep. Okay, so here it says, reflection on your growth and progress. What were the challenges you faced in this unit? Well, one of the challenges that I faced in this unit was this. It was very hard spending 3 hours of my night working on this. 3 hours, maybe 4, 5 even. Probably not 5. Wait. Yeah, maybe 5. Probably less than 5 though. So, yeah, that was about it. I mean, it was also hard doing the conjectures. That took me a little bit while, but, you know, I think it was overall the whole deal of this project. Question B, how did you overcome your challenges? So, in order to overcome my challenges like this project, I decided to do it. And try to do it in a way that I'd enjoy it, which was making a YouTube video out of it. And then for C, it is what would you do differently if you had to do this unit over again? I don't know. I haven't taken the test yet. For D, it would be what should this teacher have? What would geometry teacher have done to help you be more successful? I mean, this time geometry teacher was pretty good. I'm just saying geometry teacher. That's not actually my geometry teacher's name. It's just I'm pretty sure I can't say it. Otherwise, I can't say it, and if I did, I wouldn't be allowed to upload this to YouTube, which is my plan. So, yeah. I think my geometry teacher did a pretty good job. Okay, and that's it. I'm now done with my project, and I can just spend a little while on editing the thing. Okay, bye.